How to fix Terraria not starting up on Steam. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. The very first thing you want to do is head towards the library tab. Now at the left corner you're gonna find your game list. Head towards the game Terraria. Double click on it. Now click on the option of properties. Now in this page you will find the option of local files. Click on it. Under that you will find the option of verify integrity of files. You have to click on it. Once you complete that process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Heading towards next solution, you have to download Tmod Loader. So go ahead and search for Tmod Loader. After it appears, install it. After completion of its installation process, launch this app as well as launch the Terraria app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, click on the Steam option given at the top left corner. Different options will appear. Click on the option of settings. Now click on the option downloads. Under that you will find the option of clear download cache. You have to click on this option of clear cache. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close your Steam app completely. Once you do that, now you have to double click on the Steam shortcut. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of properties. New window will open up. Now head towards this option of compatibility. Under that you will find different options. Check in for this option, run the program as an administrator and then click on apply. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Terraria not starting up on Steam. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.